Good morning, Casamanteville Middle School students. This is Mr. Larson coming live from his office today. I'm going to try something new with Screencast-O-Matic. Um, we're going to get into a few things here, but first I want to just share with you kind of the purpose of what I'm doing here. So each day or two, I'm going to send out a message to you guys either on YouTube or through your email. Some days I'm going to talk about expectations, other days I'll talk about leadership. Sometimes I'll just ask a question just to lighten the mood, as I know that you guys are navigating this flexible learning just as we are. There is no assignment attached with this, just me having conversation with you. Most videos are going to be short and sweet, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. It's just a way for me to connect with you guys virtually. Hopefully, you guys are having a great, good 8 days off last week. But now we're going to kind of ramp up with our flexible learning as we get forward from there. So it is Monday, so it's a little sense of normalcy here. So we're going to do a little bit of Pledge of Allegiance. So just quickly, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. There it is. It's Monday, so we got to continue with our routines and procedures around here. But I just want to just quickly jump into our flexible learning plan. Now, with that being said, there's a few things that we always do at Casamanteville Middle School, and those are our four expectations here. Be safe, be respectful, be responsible, be engaged. Be safe. Everyone has a device. All right, use those devices appropriately. Be respectful. If you're communicating back and forth with other students, if you're working on a group project, again, you're using a device. Please be respectful, be mindful of who you're working with, and the things that are said online. Be responsible. Each week you guys are given a task to do from teachers. It's imperative that learning continues, and so take your time. If you have questions, ask. Teachers around, I'm around, parents as well. Let's make sure that we're doing the best that we can during this time. And lastly, I see that I can't spell, or I spelled engaged right, but two capital letters with an E and an N. Be engaged. A lot of you may be, playing video games and then waking up at 10. Let's continue with our normalcy of the school day, all right? Try to get up early, cook your little siblings breakfast or get them some cereal, and then let's get ready to rock and roll here. So continue to be engaged with those students or with your teachers, excuse me. If you have a younger sibling, one or two, help them out. That's the best part about being a middle school student is you're shifted a little bit of responsibility to you. Learning will continue, but certainly make sure that they're getting the learning that they need, as they may have more questions than you. Be a team player throughout this week and the next several weeks. Work for your parents. If they ask you to do stuff, let's be together as a team like we do here at Casamanteville Middle School. I know this is not what I wanted. I want students in the building, but please know that we're doing everything that we can for the learning to continue. And as part of the role of the student is to be that team player. Like I stated before, ask questions. If you have questions, please ask. A lot of teachers are using Google Classroom. You can use email. Some teachers are going to use Zoom. Log on to those things and ask questions. We want to make sure that we are here for you as always. And even more difficult is we're doing this virtually. So if you guys have any questions, please, please, please let us know. As always, do your best work. All right, work hard in everything that you do. But lastly, stay calm and carry on. Okay, make it a great day. But just two things before I go to the question of the day. Check your emails daily. A lot of teachers will be sending you stuff via email, and if you have your Google Classroom already linked, you'll receive assignments and questions and tasks through your email. So please make sure you're checking that multiple times a day. But daily is our recommendation. If you can do it more than that, that would be great. And lastly is attendance. Mrs. Sally will be sending out an attendance Google form every day. Make sure that you're clicking through that, helping your siblings out as well, so that we can make sure that you're engaged in the flexible learning. So, on a lighter note, let's go to Mr. Larson's question of the day. So my question to you guys, each and every day I'll bring up a different question, but I am wondering if I should grow a mustache. It's coming in a little bit, you can't really tell, but I'm really thinking about just, popping something out. So you guys let me know, but otherwise, hey, Comets, have a great day, work hard, and hopefully we'll get to see each other soon. Take care.